Hello and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you a VPN app which will help you to secure your connection at the extra layer of security when you are online. And let me take this chance to welcome all viewers or subscribers of this channel, that you are highly welcomed. And in today's video, the app I'm gonna share with you is on Google Play Store. So you head over to your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. So you search for 24 Clan. So you search for 24 Clan VPN Lite, and among the presented you pick this one. Take note of the app name, take note of the app icon, install the app on your device. And after installing this app on your device, you'll be able to set it up by tapping on the open button. So you tap on open to set up the app, and this app will help you to secure your connection at the extra layer of security when you are browsing the internet. So when you reach in the app interface, you are required to set it up. First of all, you are required to tap on the three dots in the upper left corner. This will reveal a menu where you will be required to click on update config. So you tap on update config option. So when you tap on update config option, this app will start to update its resources to the latest version, and by doing so the app will provide you with the best service when you are connecting to the internet. And after updating the app resources, you are required to add on time where you see timer. So you must utilize this add button, the add time button, and when you tap on the add time button, this app will start to add on the connection time. Please note that in case the app runs out of time, it will stop working and your connection won't be secured. So make sure to add on time so that this app stays in action for a long period in order to secure your connection for a long session. And after adding time, you are required to continue with the settings. As we go on with the settings, in case you are new on this channel we share apps that can secure your connection at the extra layer of security when you are online. And also this app will help you to do the same thing. So the other setting is you are required to pick a server where you see auto server. So you tap here, and among the presented you are required to pick any of the presented servers. So for today's video I recommend you to pick the auto server. This is because the app will automatically pick the best working server in your location. So you can either pick auto server or you can pick any of the presented which you prefer. So for today's guide, please you pick auto server. And after that, the last but not least, you are required to pick the all net all countries settings, so as your connection method. So in case this option doesn't work for you, tap here, then from here you search for your country name. For example, if you are from Tanzania, you search for Tanzania and you can pick your country name. And in case your country supports UDP, you can simply search for UDP, and you can see that it will show you the UDP settings within the app. So for today's guide, we are gonna choose the all net all countries as our connection method. This is because this option is working for all countries which support these settings tailored to in this tweak. So make sure to pick either your country name in case this option of all country settings doesn't work for you. So lastly, you'll be required to initiate a secure connection by tapping on this start button. And when you tap on this start button, this app will be connected right down here and your connection will be secured. And that's how we set up 24 kilo VPN Lite with all country settings to secure our online connection and to add an extra layer of security when we are browsing online. Please like this video, share this video to your friends, comment in the comment section where you need help, and let's meet in the next video.